So I already got my juice. Now I gotta get some food. Can't work on an empty stomach. Oh, it's so angry. Hi, buddy. Hi, Cobain. What you doing? Hi, yes. Hello. Hi. 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 What you doing? Come on, let's go. What is going on, everybody? If you're new to my channel, my name is Lucas. I am building a Project 3000 GT VR4. I hope everybody is taking advantage of this beautiful weather we're having. It has been raining non-stop around here and it's really made a mess of things. This is Cobain and he's going to be my helper for the day. Come on. So the next thing on the list is I need to replace that old radiator with that new one. I am so pumped to put this in the car. It's been sitting around for a little while. This has been driving me crazy. I also picked up CXracing hard pipes to connect the radiator. I hope the hard pipes work. I've never tried them before, but they look amazing and they match all the intercooler. So let's grab some tools and get started.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right?
This intercooler pipe is being tough. Thankfully I have some silicone PV blast. That should hopefully break it free. Damn.
Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a
I have been pre-warned. These little bolts down here will puncture the radiators. Last thing I want to do is put that thing in, tear a hole in the new one. Everything is so tight working on this car. Alright, while the radiator's out, I have extra room to clean. Head up some degreaser, got it looking good again. By the way, look at that little baby turbo. It's so cute! I have been looking for you for about an hour. Thought I lost my first 10 mil. I have just finished installing the radiator. I'm very pleased with the way it came out. There's a couple things I will need to order and change on it, but for now it will work. First off, these radiator supports do not quite fit. So as you see, they don't line up. 3SX makes a larger mount that will go into that. I have to order that. Another thing I would like to change is I do not like the blue. What I've been doing is ordering black, so I have to order 1.5 inch black for all the pipes. These as well, you need to get those in black as well. The next thing that I need to do is put this battery in the trunk. This battery tray for an Optima battery has arrived. After the batteries were located, the next thing I'm doing is changing out these brake pads and rotors. I have fronts and rears coming. They should be here hopefully within the week. And with that, I'm one step closer to getting this car back on the street. Drop a comment down below on what you would like to see me do to this car next, or even that one. If you'd like to see more and follow this build, like this video, subscribe, and until then, keep it real.
I'm not in the colors.